As you know, we all gather here for special occasion. NTH is the socially active organization led by Nikon Group of Colleges. It encourages students to take part different stage activities. Further, it boosts up their confidence as well as their hidden talent. I would like to call on stage Hamad for English speech.
In the name of Allah Almighty, the most beneficent and the most respectful and the most merciful, honorable teacher, respectful teachers, and esteemed audience. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hamad. I am from 6th Road Campus, Nikon. Today, the topic of my speech is to describing some issues of Kashmiris. Kashmiris are sacrificing their life for the security of their land. Until now, Indian armed forces are helpless before Kashmiri people. The Kashmiri people hate India and Indian force. They do not want them to interrupt their life with freedom. They want to get country back from foreign occasion and want to live a free life. My lord, the people living in occupied Kashmir have been making effort to breathe in the decade. Free air for the last 7 decades. The Indian armed force interrupt their freedom and have occupied their land forcefully. They are struggling to set their country free and to live with freedom from India. Pakistan support their aim. Until now, they stand united with the Kashmiri people against India. In 1975, Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, the president of Pakistan, announced a nationwide strike on 5th February. It was announced to support Kashmiri people in freedom movement and to ensure Pakistani support for them in every crucial moment. Pakistan support the right of the Kashmiri people and want India to set the land free and let the Kashmiri people live in a peaceful life. Dear friend, Pakistan is the place where I live with freedom and proud. Similarly, like that, Kashmiri people like to live. At the last, but not at the least, I would like to end up my speech with the quotation. No any can buy a long-term affection that has given to me by my nation. Thank you.